Penguins, despite their flightlessness, are avian species uniquely adapted for aquatic life, primarily residing in and around the harsh conditions of Antarctica. With 18 recognized species, they exhibit diverse characteristics, from the towering emperor penguins to the petite little blue penguins. Their iconic black and white coloration serves a camouflage purpose, protecting them from aerial predators. Equipped with flipper-like wings, penguins are expert swimmers, capable of high-speed underwater maneuvers and impressive depths. Social and monogamous, they thrive in colonies, enduring extreme weather conditions, fasting during annual molting phases. Why don't you ever see penguins in the UK? Because they're afraid of whales.